For the book Bear Snores On, you will have your bars in C pentatonic. Looks like this. And you get to play on any bars on your side when it says, "But the bear snores on." When it says in the story, "But the bear snores on," you get to play with your mallets, hands together on any two bars at the same time. Just like this. "But the bear snores on." Or it can sound like this. "But the bear snores on." Or it could sound like this. "But the bear snores on." So you're going to play on the bars what you say. Okay, make sure you stay on your side of the bars and not your friend's side. If you have the whole instrument to yourself, you have so many options. You can play, "But the bear snores on." Or you can play your mallets close together, "But the bear snores on." It can be anything that you like as long as your hands are playing at the same time on two different bars and to the words that you say.